What the heck? She wants to get in?
She does. She scared the crap out of me. I was innocently laying like this, and all of a sudden I heard this like thump thump, and there was a chicken next to my head. Everybody.
Hi, welcome to Sunny Backyard Farm. Have you ever wanted to make a scented candle like this? Well, I made this one, and I'm going to show you how to do it today. The things you'll be needing is a scent like this one, a crayon, a wick stabilizer, a wick, and a jar, and hot glue and wax. What you're going to do first is you're going to fill the jar up twice with wax, then dump it in a bowl. The second step is you're going to use a hot glue gun to glue the wick to the bottom of the jar. Third step is you're going to put the wax into a pot along with a candy thermometer and heat it up to high. Now you are going to choose the color your candle will be by choosing a crayon color, unwrapping it, and putting it in the pot. Then wait for the crayon to melt and then stir it with a wooden spoon. This part is very satisfying. Now turn off the heat and wait for the temperature to drop to 140 degrees. Next, pour in the oils that you want your candle to smell like. And for the next step, take the jar from earlier and put a funnel in and get an adult to help you pour in the wax. For one of the final steps, put in a wick stabilizer and put the wick through the hole. Wait for the candle to harden up, which usually takes about an hour. Then once it's hardened up, cut the wick. This is a finished candle. My dad's going to light it so you can see how it looks when it's burning. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more videos by Sunny Backyard Farm.